Finally, let's talk a little bit about artificial intelligence. Now, it already knows your secrets. It's already scrubbed the web for all the information out there. And you might not think it's a big deal. In fact, some of the platforms you're watching, if they're telling you that artificial intelligence isn't something that's a very big deal, nothing to worry about as far as jobs and society and the future of humankind, then you want to see what platform they're playing from. In some cases, they have a mega business and they don't want to scare people off. They don't want their current employees, which could be in the thousands or tens of thousands, to realize they're about to be X'd. So see where they're coming from when they're talking about artificial intelligence. Now, about the bias and the data. If you have kids, or if you're yourself or in your 50s or 60s, I get it, kids versus us, they're more neuroplastic. They can modify, see things, learn things a lot easier. Languages are easier for them to pick up. That's what the evidence shows, the studies show, but I would say you got to break loose of that and actually start to consider yourself able to learn easy, able to understand things easier, able to be as neuroplastic as the kids. Just have that ability to pick up and learn things, and it really does start with you just trying to figure things out. That's going to include artificial intelligence. Whether you like it or not, it is here. There is no putting back in the box. This thing is out there. It is learning all the information. It already has all the information, in fact, as to what's happening in the world. A lot of scientists, they ask themselves the question, you can do your research on this. They really don't know how it figures out some of the things it figures out, which is a little nerve-wracking, of course, for us that are watching this thinking, well, shouldn't they be asking the question, should we be doing this? But it's already done. So they're not sure how it figures stuff out. In addition, besides all of your information that it already knows, your buying ability, how you buy, what motivates you to buy, understanding human beings down to the nth, so it understands why we make particular decisions. And of course, the marketing and advertising companies, they're using that to their advantage, trying to make as most as they can, at least in this interim, this time period before the system gets so intelligent. It's able to make itself even more intelligent all the way to, I would assume, infinity. I don't know if there's an upper level to any kind of intelligence. Right now, if you look at it, do your research, artificial intelligence is somewhere around Einstein level IQ 160, 165, but that is growing all the time, and it's doubling in its ability in an exponential growth curve every 5.7 months, according to some of the people that I watch online. That's twice a year, folks. That's fast. It is coming. Do your research, learn about it, interact with it. You don't have to sign up for any courses or pay any money. Just start talking to and asking questions and see how it works and get an idea. Protect yourself and verify everything you see with another source. Don't just trust what it says. I'm Connor with Honor. We will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.